Welcome to this Android channel, and we are October 1st, 2019. And what are the operating systems of choice for Android users around the world? This is kind of an interesting one here. So this is for September of 2019, and we're going to take a look at the most popular Android operating systems right now. So apparently Android 9 Pie is at 32.7%, which is kind of nice, and it's actually growing fast. It was 27.7 or zero point 0.8 last time, and if you look at 22.5 the other time before, it seems to have been growing real fast. So Android 9 Pie is now the dominant Android version at 32.7%, which is kind of interesting. Then you have Android 8 and 8.1 Oreo that together, because I hate it when they actually separate them, but if you put both 8.0 and 8.1, you have 25 25%, 25 point, actually this is almost 10, so it's like, 25.7%, almost 26%, in Android 8, which is also very nice. So it's the second in importance, not that far from Pi, but so these are the two dominant. I mean, just look at Pi 32.7, look at Oreo at 25.6 or 7, and you already have here almost 60% of all Android devices are running 8 and 9. Nougat 8.58, that's version 7. Marshmallow version 6 at 13.42, which is kind of interesting to see the Marshmallow is holding on higher than Nougat. And finally, Lollipop 5.1 at 7.8%. So this is kind of an interesting thing. No, it's probably brand new, so it's not showing up anywhere here. But Android 10, of course, that appeared in this month, in the month of September, but it still doesn't show or doesn't have any stats in here. Still probably too low of an adoption rate, that's for sure. So 8 and 9 are the winners together. They make 60% of all Android devices. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.